Hello, Fluento family. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. How are you doing today, Anna?
I'm doing great, David. I've got my cup of tea right here, and I'm so excited for today's episode. What about you?
I've got my coffee and I'm ready to go. I'm really looking forward to today's topic because it's something many of our listeners have asked about.
That's right. But before we jump in, we have a small request for our wonderful Fluento community.
Yes, if you enjoy our episodes and find them helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more English learners like you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
Also, if you know someone who's learning English, share this video with them. Learning together makes it so much easier and more fun.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get into today's exciting topic.
So, Anna, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're diving into English conversation at a construction site.
This is such a practical topic. Many of our listeners work in construction or they're thinking about getting a job in this field.
Exactly. Construction is one of those industries where you really need to communicate clearly and safely. The right English phrases can help you understand instructions, ask important questions, and work well with your team.
And even if you don't work in construction, the vocabulary we'll learn today is useful for talking about repairs, home improvements, or building projects.
That's true. Plus, construction jobs are available in many English-speaking countries, so this can really help with your career growth.
So whether you're already working on a construction site, planning to work in construction, or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this episode is for you.
Let's imagine a real-life situation. David, in our role play today, you're going to be Mike, a construction supervisor.
That's right. And Anna, you're going to be Maria, a new worker on the construction site.
Yes, it's Maria's first day, so Mike needs to give her instructions and make sure she understands the safety rules.
This is so important because on a construction site, safety comes first.
Always. Okay, let's get into our role play.
Good morning. You must be Maria. Welcome to the team.
Good morning, Mike. Yes, I'm Maria. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to start today.
Great to have you here. First things first, let me show you around the site. Have you worked in construction before?
Yes, I have some experience, but this is my first time working in an English-speaking country.
No problem at all. The most important thing is safety. Did you bring your safety gear?
Yes, I have my hard hat, safety boots, and gloves.
Perfect. You'll need to wear those at all times while you're on site. Do you have safety glasses?
Oh, I forgot those. Can I get a pair here?
Absolutely. Check in at the site office and they'll give you a pair. You need to wear them whenever we're doing any kind of cutting or drilling work.
Got it. I'll do that right away.
Good. Now let me explain today's tasks. We're working on the second floor today. We need to install the drywall in rooms 201 through 205.
Okay. Should I help carry the materials up?
Yes, exactly. First, we need to bring up the drywall sheets from the ground floor. They're pretty heavy, so we always work in pairs. Can you team up with Carlos?
Sure, no problem. Where can I find Carlos?
He's over by the loading area, near the main entrance. He's wearing an orange vest.
Okay, I'll head over there now. One quick question. Where's the restroom?
Good question. The portable toilets are behind the site office. There's also a break room in the trailer where you can have lunch.
Thank you. What time is lunch break?
We take lunch from 12 to 12:30. Make sure you're back on time because we have a tight schedule today.
Understood. I'll be on time. One more important thing. If you see anything dangerous or if you're not sure how to do something, always ask. It's better to ask questions than to have an accident.
Absolutely. Safety first.
That's the right attitude. Okay, go get those safety glasses, find Carlos, and we'll get started. If you need me, I'll be checking on the crew upstairs. Sounds good, Mike. Thank you for showing me around.
You're welcome, Maria. Let's have a great day.
Okay, that was our role play. Now let's break down the most useful phrases and chunks from that conversation.
Yes, remember, we're learning chunks, not just single words. Chunks are groups of words that go together naturally.
Let's start with greetings and introductions. Mike said, "Welcome to the team." This is a warm, friendly way to greet a new worker.
And Maria said, "Nice to meet you." This is a polite, professional greeting that works in almost any workplace situation.
Next, let's talk about safety gear. We heard these important chunks.
Hard hat, this is the helmet that protects your head.
Safety boots. These are special shoes with steel toes that protect your feet.
Safety glasses, these protect your eyes from dust and debris.
And at all times. This means always, every moment. Mike said you'll need to wear those at all times.
This is a really important phrase. It shows that something is required constantly with no exceptions.
Now, let's look at some common construction tasks. Mike said we need to install the drywall.
To install means to put something in place or set it up. You can install drywall, install windows, install doors, and so on.
Mike also mentioned cutting or drilling work. These are common construction activities.
Another useful phrase was team up with. Mike said, "Can you team up with Carlos?" This means to work together with someone as partners.
Right, and when Maria asked about the restroom, Mike gave directions. The portable toilets are behind the site office.
Behind is a location word. Other useful location words at a construction site are near, next to, on the second floor, and by the loading area.
Maria also asked about lunch break. She said, "What time is lunch break?" This is a natural, polite way to ask about the schedule.
And Mike replied with specific times, from 12 to 12:30. When talking about time chunks, we often use from, to show the beginning and end.
Mike also said something really important. Make sure you're back on time. This phrase is used to remind someone about punctuality.
Yes, and he explained why. Because we have a tight schedule. A tight schedule means there's not much extra time. Everything is planned carefully.
One of the most important safety phrases was, "If you see anything dangerous, always ask."
This is great advice for any workplace. The chunk, "if you see anything dangerous," is useful when talking about safety concerns.
And finally, the phrase, "safety first." This is a very common saying in construction and other industries. It means that safety is the most important priority.
That's right. Now let's recap all the key chunks one more time so you can practice them.
Here are today's essential phrases. Welcome to the team. Nice to meet you. Safety gear. At all times. To install something. Team up with someone. Behind. Near. Next to. What time is? From. To. Make sure you're back on time. Tight schedule. If you see anything dangerous, safety first.
These chunks will help you communicate clearly and professionally on a construction site or in many other work environments.
Okay, Fluento family, now it's your turn to practice.
We want you to lay one brick of English today by writing in the comments.
Here's our question for you. Have you ever worked in construction, or would you like to work in construction? Tell us in the comments using this sentence starter. I have worked in, or I would like to work in.
For example, you could write, "I have worked in construction for 2 years," or "I would like to work in construction because I enjoy building things."
Don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to practice writing. We love reading your comments, and we learn about your experiences too.
And remember, if you found this episode helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Subscribe to Fluento so you can join us for more everyday English conversations.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.